Make sure you're getting the most out of your rental equipment with the latest GPS asset trackers. A simple device like this can let you track the location and usage of your equipment using your smartphone or computer. With millions sold, this is the most popular way to monitor equipment worldwide. You get live updates on where your equipment is if you use GPS trackers. Equipment tracking can help monitor how long it's been since your last service for better maintenance scheduling and, importantly, ensure safety when using cranes, bulldozers and diggers. Trailer tracking means no matter where you are in the world, you can see exactly where a shipment is headed. Asset tracking lets you harness huge amounts of powerful data to save money. It's easy to use and helps you run your business more efficiently. If you're interested in asset tracking and would love to save money, compare our network of local providers. Click the blue button now to get your free quote.